Good morning, sir.
First of all, sir, bundle of thanks. You give me opportunity to explain myself. So I will discuss 3 to 4 points which you mention on your website. First, uh, first part of this video will be the I will explain my introduction, and the second will why I want to join this program and my interest behind this program. And the second and the sorry third one is the my past experience, why this program is aligned with my interest, with my skills. And the 4 month is the my major projects which I covered after my completing degree. And the five is the my motivation, and if I selected this program. So I will explain these five things step by step in this video. So first of all, I want to tell you about my introduction. My complete name is Malik Muhammad Ishaq. I am from Pakistan. I completed my bachelor degree in electronics engineering from International Islamic University Islamabad in 2016. And after that, I did some internships, and I also have experience in two major companies. First, I did remote job in Bone Consulting groups of companies. It was a German-based company, and I did remote job. And after that, I selected as a data analyst is in DevNative Technologies in Islamabad. So after the completing these two jobs, I took a program as a in data science from Ministry of IT and Telecom. The data. Now, sir, I want to explain point number two. What is my motivation behind this program, or why I want to join this program? So basically, my motivation is start from the data science high impact skill training, which I covered computer vision, image processing, IoT, and edge computing. These were the major modules of data science bootcamp training. So these are all modules are completely aligned with this program. Also, machine learning and deep learning was a sub modules of that high impact training. So now I want to join this program because I want to polish these skills and also enhance my skills with this program. So that's why I want to join this program, because I want to contribute myself in industry. Now I want to share my past experience related to the image processing, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, and IoT. So in 2023, I completed high impact skill training from Ministry of IT and Telecom, and in 2024, I completed high impact training from Kamsat University Islamabad. So these two was training which were related to the totally aligned with this program. So in this bootcamp training, I covered many projects which were related to the computer vision, image processing, and all these are mentioned also in my CV. So close point number three with some bullet points. The first one is my past jobs which were related to the Python languages, and the other one is data science high impact skill training from Ministry of IT and Telecom, and third one is data science AI training from Kamsat University Islamabad. So these three majors my contribution in the field of data science are some like that. So the other point is what will I will do after completing this program. I will contribute, or I will take admission in PhD. So my personally contribution and my personally wish to take part in industry, and I want to contribute myself in the field of computer vision and image processing. So the last but not least, what will do if I selected? So I hope I will select it, and I will uh, complete this master's program with my full of energies, full of motivation. So after completing this